All right, so I've got a half set of stairs, a landing, and I would like to do more stairs extending up to the next floor. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my 3D cursor to get that set of stairs to generate from this point in Archimesh. So I'm going to select the landing. I'm going to tab. I will go to, actually, this is just fine. So I will select this face. I will right click and I will subdivide. This is okay if this is a little bit rough, but the point is I'm going to go to vertex select mode. I'm going to select this point. Actually, I'll select all these points. And I'm going to move them over on the x-axis. So I'm just going to go G, X, and just slide them over a little bit. This isn't going to be exact, but as long as it's close, I'll be happy. I will select the top vertex out of those three. Vertex out of those three. Bad grammar. I will do a Shift S and move the cursor, the 3D cursor, to that point. So now I'll tab out of edit mode. And in Archimesh, I will create another set of stairs. They're going the direction I'd like. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I think I'm going to change it to 8, although I don't think this will end quite the way I want. They end up being a little bit high. But actually, once I adjust the wall to maybe a more precise height, that might actually work out all right. So I think I'm going to leave it that way. I'm going to actually grab, well, yeah, I will. I will grab the walls, and I think let's get a side view. Where are you? There we are. And I think what I'll do is, well, maybe I don't like that view. And I haven't thought this through. So I'm just going to do a scale. So I'll push S, and I'll do it on the Z axis. So I'll push Z, and I will scale that wall up so that it goes to roughly where the stairs end, height-wise. Not perfect, but I'll play with that and might get in a little bit better and see where that gets us.